Guess what day it is? So it's Sunday and we are free, so we can do road. So today we're actually headed to Portland for a little family trip, you know, for a friend's birthday. Oh my god, I'm ready, man. So yes, I decided to take you guys along with me for the journey. Hopefully it's a fun day. Hopefully the weather is just as good as it is now. And we've been locked up for so long, like come on, any opportunity I get to go out, I'm going to take it. So to the weather road. So let's go. Morning. We had so much things today. Oh yeah, go. I think my underdress. Just we forgot about come go get some clothes because we need it. Yeah, I feel like we need more clothes.
What you mean? You not have no clothes.
Look like my underdress. My underdress.
Oh, we're gonna.
So we can probably get some food. Can probably get some food until the other guys are ready.
Them ready? Them ready?
Patrice said she not leave it. She'll wait on our drive. So.
Jason!
We out.
Focus on the driving, I focus on the vlogging.
You didn't even know we are going out to.
Dirt. Hey. Dirt. What's copyright? What do you mean if dirt copyrighted? You're rude, Jason. Yes, it is. I'm putting on a YouTube video, we find out. People, them hungry Sunday morning, that man say. Under the dirt. Under the dirt. Hey. Tasties. People, them out on a Sunday.
See him touring.
Can I have a cheese patty and a cocoa bread? 2 cheese patty, 1 cocoa bread. Should be on.
And a cheese patty and a nuggets combo. Another cheese patty?
Yeah.
And a nuggets combo. Order some, please?
No, you have nuggets combo?
Yes.
Make it 2 nuggets combo.
Order some, please?
No, we need some juice as well. Tropicana? Juice combo, the combo? Alright, complete. Oh, some money too?
1,820.
Alright, no problem, thank you. Hungry belly people, so much food, just order.
A little bit of food, that's
Nuggets combo.
like.
Stop the girl.
Yo, here what them want do Steph?
Jesus.
Cause you want post picture and video.
Yeah, them say
you want Steph? I'm gonna say me the ladies married.
Why you pimp all the people, them young girl? Just because she not married, that don't mean nothing.
You say well pushy, so it's the girl in a relationship, she have a young baby. Leave her alone.
That never stopped them before. Like,
Leave her alone.
young baby, like enough man want be stepfather, like young baby, that not stop none of them, yeah? Oh, you didn't bring your picture regular.
You gotta learn to be
Real talk, enough time. Fact.
Enough time.
Them just want the
Enough time, we'll continue to
Enough time, them run up in an idea. Man, so unless them have 2 kids, like, not even one in that 2. Can you afford 2 kids and me? No, sir. Stay on my DMs, please. Thank you.
Hello?
They want me stepfather, man.
No,
But I'm not interested, so you have nothing to worry about.
Don't worry.
Okay, you're not worried.
Don't worry. Chill, bro. Chill, bro.
Make sure you're not worried about it.
Don't worry. Chill. Let's start. Post here, sir.
So what, them can come here, DM and want me stepmother?
Can I tell you that's what I DM?
Right, I'm sure. So they all say. What was the total again? 1,000 what?
8
I take out the money.
Wait, and I'm at 1,000 there.
Me a bird. Thank you.
Thank you. Need to get the juice. Thank you. Thanks much. All of that. What about where meat on it? Is there something you cooked already? We got food, patty, nuggets, stuff.
Cornmeal. You know like cornmeal you that work. True. But you have some people them just love cornmeal porridge. I'm a peanut porridge kind of girl. So we got food. And now we're heading to link up with everybody else. So see you when we get there. We need to move past this one, Massey. 2 years now, 3 days, and I get used to it. You need to get used to it. Yes, know everything in it. Wonder who is driving. Good morning. How are you, sir? Yeah, I'm good. We'll get some snacks in the supermarket. You need anything? Steph, do you bring snacks? Oh, them all go too? Oh, no. Alright, no problem. Inside Steph, I'll go get some snacks. Abby, we out here.
Bro, bonus.
Show them the outfit of the day, through the outfit of the day.
Maestro Sports.
Ooh, who we got it from?
Maestro Sports.
Maestro Sports. Follow them on Instagram, you know, yeah. Come outfit of the day. I'm only coming the outfit of the day. So you know, I am wearing. I see no boots this way. I can come over here.
For sure, anyway.
So guys, I'm wearing a swimsuit from Couture JA. You can follow us on Instagram. These shorts I got from. Oh, look at the shorts, yeah.
Dongaton.
Probably got a long time. I have the shorts and I didn't know. I got these cute little slippers from Payless. They're so cute. So cute. Oh, my foot's so dirty. But yeah, that's the outfit, guys. That's the outfit.
Yeah, we did.
Alright, we need to go get some food. We need to get some snacks and then we'll be on our way. We have lotion. Yeah, so them wants to. I have lotion on my bag if you want some. Oh, sorry. Yeah, just nice, same thing. I don't have against lotion. No man and a whole have against lotion. Them foot ever dry and they just now want lotion. But I just lotion, put it in the car, in the hole and them not use it. Lotion your elbows, guys, and your feet, okay? Okay. What happened?
Look for mine.
My lotion every inch of my body. Like, girl, don't need to start lotion and stop it. Stop it. So you just wait on Steph them and thing and then we'll get some snacks. How much time I say that? How much time I say we'll get some snacks? Scout with me, guys. I probably 10 times I say that already. And then we'll. Alright. Soon come back. Let's see the outfits. Birthday girl. Do a little twirl. Do a little twirl. Yeah. Why not? Why not? Come on.
when it just shortened. Ooh, look at my daughter. So cute. This ears. Good morning. Thank you. Probably we need a basket or a trolley. I look at trolley. Same things, just the same. Basically, I look fun. Get 2 buns. I get cheese. No sour greedy body, no? Greedy body. Have some pastry over here. Bread pudding. Ooh, I love it. Some bread pudding. And I think that's it. I don't think we need anything else. I hope. Where's Trinidad? Alright, we can buy the 2 little things them and then we'll out. 2 little things them? It's a 2 little things. You're a kiddie snack. Alright, we're out. Editing Shanice here. Tell me now, how the 2 little snacks them come to $3 grand? Low high on the need for the better, I swear. We have another dance off. We have another dirt tutorial. Yes. Okay, no problem. Dirt part 2. We only know for dust.
We should have a competition.
Dust.
Make sure who are judge know how to dirt that much.
Only one person know for dirt and that's Trudy. With the bags. Not now. We have any grocery bag in here? No? Another time? What? Trudy, oh yeah. Let's try to bring a bag over. Bring we not have no bag over here. That's all. What, sir? Just don't do that for the vlog, please. Please don't do that. Don't do that, sir. Don't do that. Don't do that. You know, I'm not taking it out, right?
Eh?
I'm not taking it out.
I mean, you're not taking it out.
I'm not taking it out. I'm eating it for the... Alright, sir. Alright, big up yourself. What happened? That's the boy.
Is it that for the vlog? No, edit out that today.
But you get the life person, eh?
No.
Big up yourself. Hey, let us see. Let us see.
Welcome to
Welcome
the
to
person who is always making us late. Hold on. Show your face. This is the person who is always making us late.
It's not me. It's not my fault.
Who blaming this
I'm not
time?
the driver. Blame
Okay.
She works on Jamaica time. Doesn't work on regular time like us.
Yeah, throw shit under the bus. It's all
You
good.
don't lock me away.
Girl, we couldn't wait no longer. We just cut. We couldn't stay at the house no longer.
Shani was waiting up from 6.
6 o'clock.
Hello, I'm here 8:30. What am I supposed to do?
6.
Why don't we wake so early and we go out last night?
Because we're here 8:30. We're here 8:30. We're on time. We're on time.
6 o'clock.
You wake up from 6?
Wake up early too.
Like what time? Like 9 o'clock?
7 o'clock.
No, sir. I mean, so you need time to get ZZ ready.
No, I did tired from yesterday.
Oh,
Are you going to?
You wake
Them
up 4
the
o'clock
road.
yesterday?
4 a.m.?
I'm tired.
What
rush. Alright, well hopefully we can leave soon. It will be.
Have fun and enjoy yourselves.
So true. Give me a piece of dirt. Give me a piece of dirt. Give me a piece of dirt. 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 What's the dirt? Hey, dirt. Dirt. Hey, dirt. Yeah, buddy. Hello, this is unedited, okay? Nothing is being cut out. Not one piece. None of it cut out. Guys, I'll catch you back when I'm actually in Portland because them people are stress me out. Yeah, see you in Portland. Body like a youth.
Oh, yeah.
See them just hide around the corner and meet. Well, they never not hide, but I never think them see them. You're welcome. Let's hope we get there soon. I'm tired. Feel like I can take a nap and wake up back and reach. Feel like I can take a nap and wake up back and reach. Trudy don't sleep already either. Trudy run there and kill sleep because I never want a video and I say, yo. I said, I don't want Trudy go drop a dislike for the YouTube video. So if I have her for you, take it down. But not do that, man. Don't worry yourself. But yeah, we've been driving for like an hour now. Yeah, because we leave at 11 and it's like 12 o'clock, so basically an hour. And yeah, that's not bad. We just at touch Portland, so we'll reach.
Ladies, the sun hot in the ladies. Ladies, the sun hot in the ladies.
The box not in there.
Which box? That? No. See now, go in there.
Come, Sally.
Uncle. Just one video, please. Oh. For your vlog. Keep it.
The box.
Banana. Prune.
Wait, don't move.
Watch Megan.
Come on, Lee. I'm gonna do something. Push out and yeah.
Say welcome to Portland.
Portland.
Welcome to Portland.
Alright, come again.
Welcome to Portland.
I don't have any things.
What the music a bump? Not at all.
Some soup.
I need a pee. Alright, Jojo, I'm just gonna do it. Do it now?
Good.
We ouchie. Got my mask. Yes, it's soon going. You like the door? She did like the door because get shit changed. Snack check. Yep. Liquor check.
No, what?
No, load me up so. Liquor check. More snacks over here.
That was snap. You put him in there.
You're already in there from here, load up yourself.
It's a ladies segment.
Who me ever segment there?
A ladies segment. This is
no ladies segment. Alright, go and walk with them. Go ahead.
Don't walk with them.
Why not? Why not?
I don't know them.
Well, was Shane and Siobhan, you know them. Go walk with them.
What's your van?
Siobhan, I walk with them. How are they? I know you friendly.
I joke me and make
No, I'm guilty. I'm guilty. That's why I'm hold on to it. Go and hold on to it.
I joke.
It a come from somewhere. I always hide for true. I'm not wanting on my video them because I'm not wanting people see him on the tube, you see me? Make him go on. The back side.
A couple of them.
On a vacation.
But me never show him. Me never But everybody know you and I like for them to know you. Yeah, so why you hide now? Why you need to hide now?
Girl segment. I'm going to do my video earlier talk about your passport.
You see how she get big compared to the last time? No, sir, busy.
My daughter.
What? You will want that? Big up yourself. Hi, Z, how are you?
I'm
Hi,
fine.
cutie. How are you? Should have the camera do Patrice. She's gonna be a star. Unlike her mother who's running away from the camera. Where you run go? I want Jason to disappear too. Where you are run go?
Why you running? Why you running? Our mother said.
So the falls, well, this isn't falls, but this is like a little mini fall right over there. All the way over there, the river. So as I mentioned before, we're at Somerset Falls. We just got here, so we haven't really done much. So I'm going to get some food, and then we can basically start the activities because I really want to go on the falls. The beverage just on the table, boss one. Yeah, I put it beside my bag. So yeah, I'll definitely take you guys along with me. Don't worry, we're going to see the falls. As in, I think this is my first time here. I literally have never been to the falls before. So I'm pretty excited. I'm not a fan of like rivers and stuff like that. I'm more of a beach girl, but I'll see. So definitely taking you guys along with me.
want button for burgers. We can put this on the table. Right, it's heavy body. You know what in there. So it's bun and cheese and water for lunch. What one? Should they be on my camera? You don't?
Be them.
Sorry.
Waste beats.
Is it?
They want to give a life again? They want to give a life
Who says we're not just put that bun? It just depends on how you want. So apparently there's a boat. Some people don't want to go on the boat. We don't know if we swim, so we'll just have to wait and see.
Why she have flex like that? Why she have flex like that? Okay. She got to have a sitting class? Yeah.
We don't want a camera record there? Or pan coming?
That's my job.
Oh!
Waterfall, man.
Never will I want to yes, sir. Never will I want
Why would you do that?
Sit down, Stephanie.
Step diver.
What is swimmer?
Zoom in. Zoom in for her. Yeah, girl. Dirt. 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 Catch your dirt. Hey, dirt.
Stephanie, what the first
So we're heading up the waterfall now. All the way up, up, up. Let's say what I feel a while ago.
What do I?
When I step on something and it rock. I know I want it to rock. I swear to God. Yeah. Very nice sun. What's wrong with you? I'm just here. What's wrong with you? Tired. Too much flight of stairs, I just climb up. I'm dying. I'm unhealthy. I'm unfit. Let's look. That's a key.
Where my journey ends.
Where is the boat? Where's the boat? So I show the cave they both are going with me? Me now going in no cave. You know someone cave over there. So the cave down the boat I go through. Me? Now I go through the cave. Really? So it look like enough people away from the boat. Listen. Well, look what I'm going. See the boat there? The boat just crashed with the cook. You guys going in the boat?
Somebody.
Okay. So after them? Going to do a dive. People dive off over here, see? Over here, so look good for dive off. Look here. 50 likes and I dive off. 50 likes, 25 comments and I dive off, guys. Hit the like button right now when I do it. I'm waiting. Hit the like button right now. Over there, so look deep still. come to the end of the day. Was definitely a good time. And now it's time for the after party. Woo! After party, after party.
Get some food.
What about that?
Wanna forget the cure?
Yeah. Wanna give me a little charge?
What kind of phone?
After party, Jit.
If you come back, we don't know what I'm gonna do yet. Jody, don't be one of those.
Yeah, party.
Hey,
You can't dance to this song, eh?
why not?
Alright, so this is where we'll end the vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and get your girl to 1K by December. Comment and tell us what was your favorite part of the video, and I'll see